We're learning to add by splitting numbers into parts to make tens. So our example today is that Millie counted 26 snakes in the snake pit at the zoo. Then she saw more snakes behind a log. Now she could see 33. How many snakes could she see behind the log? So that's what we need to work out. So you can see our problem here is 26 plus something equals 33. Okay, so using the animal strips, we can say we can add here to 26. Okay, right to here, 26. Okay, and we need to find out 33. So if I add 26 plus 4, I know that that equals 30. And then I'm going to add, I know to add on the other 30 plus 3 equals 33. So then I add up my 4 and my 3 together, which is this part here and this here, and that equals 7. So there were 7 snakes hiding behind the log.